Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how to enter a live broadcast on Facebook. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do that, we need to go to Facebook, absolutely on any device. Then we have Home, Video, Friends, Market, Notifications, and the menu. We click on Home. Then we click here on our profile. And here we can add photos, videos, tags, mentions. And then, if we scroll down to the bottom, it says Live Video. Click here. It opens up Live Video. Let's just flip the camera over, and we can click Go Live here. And we're going to go live. But before we do that, we can add effects, right in this upper left corner. Any effect you want, you can add. And it'll show up here on the screen. You can also turn it off. Now let's go ahead, and we're going to go out now. We can also turn the flash on or off. We can put the sound on or off. We can also click on the bottom here to add some friends so they can see our broadcast. And there's a lot of different functions down here at the bottom, where we can choose a title. We can choose the time, and we can set it to private for friends. Or we can set it to a public live broadcast. Once we've done that, we click Go Live and we'll go live. That's how easy it is to do. But if you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.